Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to any point on the screen. Here I just pick up this. While touch anywhere on the screen, that is to pick up some particular app, or if you move to the navigation, that is if you use navigation keys, there will be a small sound. Okay, for each press there will be a small sound. This is called touch sound. If you would like to turn off this touch sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration and click on system sound, and here turn off this button touch interactions. Now hereafter there will be no sound while touching any button on the screen. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.